Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I want to print my name, so you make it orange and then color it black with sparkles. So we're gonna print my letters of my name. I will show you the letters of my name. It's S, A, and an M. So it has some orange filament, so we gotta put the orange and then some tree printers on, so we can do SAA. Hey, when SAA is done, and then we'll do it from one printer, and that's my dad's computer, and it's so messy all around. This one is ready, and that one is ready, and that is process. Okay, so we're gonna go to print plate. Press here, yes, and here. Sending print job to cloud service. Wow, I did a great job. Everybody will see my videos. That'll be exciting. Here, look. Whoa, that's moving. Look, that's the letter S they make it. They make that letter S. And now they color it there. I'm excited. I'm so excited for my name. That's kind of starting. Look, that orange A. And then that's this one. It's not. Here's the go print it all, so it looks like so pretty. See, it's so messy. Look at me do another one. Look at the bottom is so sparkly. Oh, my tasty brown. Now the S is done. I love it. It's so cute. Take that. Here, I can't take that one. It's too hard.
You can do.
Okay. Wow.
You like it?
Yeah, this is a nice S.
Can you show it in the camera? Can you see it too?
Yes, sure.
Wow, it's nice.
It's also done.
Wow. Do you like it?
Yes, I love it.
S-A. So what are we missing now?
A.
And?
M.
A and M. Okay. So we're doing M here, okay?
M.
And let's do another A here because that one is down for some reason. We need to fix it. Look what happened.
Like that one, another.
Yeah.
Look, come here. Could you take that part off?
You can do it.
Okay. I can do it always.
Like it?
Yeah.
Okay.
We like it. Look at that thing. Look at that one. My name is ready. I'm stuck. My name. Bigger. S-A-A-M.
Okay.
Now let's color, guys. Mommy. So now let's choose a glitter color, so we'll make it more fancier. Let's see. How about this one? Blue green. On this one. Blue green. Not. I think that one is fine. I think that one is fine. I want to use gold glitter. I see your green. I see your.
Bless you.
Thank you. So, guys, welcome to our art face. So, we have this color black out there. And then we have these ones. Yeah, these ones are put spread it all over because these are so easy to make it and color it all over. And then
Very careful on top of that.
people.
Okay, I think that's enough now.
Okay. And then now we're gonna spread it with a small one. Now it's black all over. Now we're ready for the glitter. So first we're gonna put it a little bit in here, and then you're gonna put a little bit in there, and then you're gonna spread it out, and out. Now.
Okay. Can you do it?
Oh, that's a lot.
Yeah, put it here.
Okay. Love you. That. I'm gonna get back to color, and then spread it out. UM. Yogurt. What yogurt?
What do you want, Joya?
Yogurt? M. Okay, now it's done. Now let's wait until night and then hang it in my room, okay? And look, now it's dry. Here it is now. Now I'm gonna hang it in my room.
3.
Ta-da! My name is done. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Subscribe to my channel of that video. I'm so excited to put on my YouTube channel. Look at the pink. These are all